Okay, guys, what if you have root 2 brackets, root 2 plus root 6? How do you work with this guy? Okay, now watch. You know we have to open the brackets the way we do it in algebra. The same thing. Root 2 times root 2. What would that give you? That would give you 2. I told you before, root times root, it cancels it. Then you pick one number since they are the same. Listen, when they are the same, you cancel the root symbol and you pick one of the two of them. So me will pick this one, then you will pick that one. You get the check. Okay, let's continue. Now, root 2 times plus root 6. 2 times 6 is what? 12. They can multiply each other because both of them are inside the roots. You understand? So 2 times root 2 times root 2 times root 6 will give you 12. That will be plus root 12. You see it now? Now we can expand 12 to be like this. We can expand 2 plus root 4 times root 3, because 4 can be a perfect square. You understand? So when we find the square root of 4, it will now be 2 plus 2 times what? Root 3. So 2 plus 2 is what? 4. So your final answer will be 4 root 3. Did you see it now? Let's answer on that question. Okay, now let's work with this one. It's very easy. Now 2 root 5 times 3 root 5 will get 2 times 3 is what? 6. 5 times 5 is what? I told you what it will become. It will now become 5, because root and root, you know what happens when they are the same number? Good. That's times 5, which is 30. Minus 2 root 5 times 2 root 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 2 is root what? 10. You see that? Because they're not the same, so they can multiply directly. This one will be 30 minus 4 root 10. So 30 minus 4 root 10 is our final answer. Let's get on that question again. Okay, we are given this kind of question. Oh my God, this one is a bit long, but watch, it's easy. The same process. You know how to expand 2 brackets in algebra. That's the same style we're going to use. Now, 4 root 3 times 4 root 3. 4 times 4 is 16. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. That's 16 times 3. You understand what that is now? So 16 times 3. So put that to one side. So let's put it in brackets so that you don't get confused. Now 4 root 3 times 2 root 5. Negative 3 root 5. 4 times 2 is 8. You understand? Because it's a negative. So 4 root 3 is negative. This one is negative 2 root 5. Okay? So 4 times 2 is 8. Good. Root 3 times root 5 is root 15. 8 root 15. Bracket. Then this one will be positive. 2 root 5 times 4 root 3. 2 times 4 is what? 8. 5 times 3 is what? Root 15. Close bracket. Now, 2 root 5 times minus 2 root 5. That will give us minus 2 times 2 is 4. Root 5 times root 5 is 5. You see it? I put them in brackets so that you don't get confused. 16 times 3. 3 times 6 is 8. Put down 8, you carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, 4. 48. Good. Minus, now, minus 8 root 15 plus 8 root 15 is just like minus a plus a. You know that will give you 0 in algebra. That's the same thing you apply here. Good. So minus 8 root 15 plus 8 root 15, that will give you 0. So, okay, minus 4 times 5 is what? 20. You see, it was 20. So this 0 is gone. So we'll now have 48 minus 20. What would that give you? That will give you 28.